everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we are going to make smoked sloppy joes, and they're not going to be your ordinary sloppy joes with the manwich in a can. We are going to make our own sloppy joe sauce with these ingredients here. So let's get going. We got 2 pounds of burger here, 8515, and I got the smoker going with charcoal and mesquite. Okay, after 50 minutes in the smoker, boy, it's smelling really good. Over medium-high heat, we're going to sweat out 1 large Vidalia sweet onion and 1 large red bell pepper. After a couple minutes, the vegetables are softened. Now we're going to add the tomato sauce, and you astute viewers who saw the label of the can, yep, they were whole tomatoes, but I just crushed them up in this bowl. Okay, so we got that, and we're going to add the spices and stuff, and you'll see all the ingredients in the notes below. Okay, here I'm going to add about a teaspoon of that Porcini Salt. Next, some Worcestershire sauce. Oh, that's about right. A little bit of ketchup. Let's see if it comes out. Yeah, we want about a 1/4 cup of that. And of course, we got to have the mustard. I know y'all think this might be a little weird, but I've always put mustard when I jazz up my manwich sloppy joe sauce, and it's really good. Okay, so we're going to mix all this up together, turn it down to a slow simmer, and let it cook for 30 minutes. Alright, after 30 minutes, now we've added the beef, smoked beef, and we're going to cover it and cook that for another 30 minutes. Then we are done. And here we have a gorgeous steaming pile of goodness. Oh man, this smells awesome. Let's go ahead and try it. Alright, and I like to put a little bit of dill pickle slices on mine, just because it's got a crunch and a little bit of different flavor. Now this is completely optional. Alright, let me put that off to the side. Wipe my fingers, let's cap this baby up. Oh, meaty goodness. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull it over here and stick it in my mouth. Mmm. 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 Okay. The smoke really comes through on the meat. The brown sugar I put in there, 2 tablespoons, takes the edge off the sharpness of the tomatoes, complements the mustard very well. That's just a gorgeous mess of meat and sauce. Much better than the canned stuff, people. Mrs. Rivet's the one who talked me into making it homemade. I'm glad I did. I probably will never buy a canned sloppy joe sauce again. This was so silly easy to make. Thanks for watching, people. Bye-bye.